Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the art class. See, our today's topic is rainy day. So this is monsoon season going on, and we are also having rains on some days. So I'm going to be teaching you a rainy day which two little children like you are enjoying. Now, to begin with, children, I have already taught you how to draw human beings. So, using that, we are going to draw these two little kids who are enjoying themselves in the rain. To draw the face, start by making an oval. So, I'm going to make two ovals simultaneously together. Can be little rounded also, children. Now, two lines for the neck, close. Now, let's make hair. The boy is going to have shorter hair and the girl will have longer hair. Depends on how long you want to make. Now, to make a girl, draw a mountain shape like this on the upper part of this face. Now, from there, we can make two ponytails, or you can make open hair, two C's for the ears, forehead. Children, we all have forehead. So we leave some space, and then we all have eyebrows, nose and lips. A big smiling face. They are enjoying themselves in the rain. Now, two slanting lines for the shoulders. Bring these two lines down and join to make the upper body. So we get a rectangular shape for the upper body, and now we are going to stretch one hand out double. We have two lines in one hand, and the other hand can go down like this. You can make short half sleeves also. Now look how we are making fingers. One thumb, and you can make just simply a U and make 1, 2 and 3 lines for the fingers. Other way also I will teach you, children. Now I want to make an umbrella in her hand. Now children, to draw the umbrella, look carefully. When you hold an umbrella or you're holding a pencil in your hand, your thumb is like this on top, and your fingers look like long ovals, isn't it? So, make thumb and 1, 2, 3, 4 ovals and join. Done? Let's make her dress. Now, after doing this, two lines for the leg, now how to make the legs, children? Two lines for each leg, which becomes narrow at the bottom. 1 and 2. You will draw the legs in the center. You know, some children draw one leg over here and one leg over here. It's wrong. You cannot have legs outside the body. They are a part of our body. Now let's give her gum boots for the rain. We'll make the umbrella later, children. Now come, first make the boy. Now to make the boy, first just make a curved line like this for the hair, and then just make 2 lines on the sides for the side hair. Now 2 C's for the ears, eyebrows, nose, and a big wide smile, eyes, shoulders, 2 slanting lines. Make a rectangular shape for the upper body. Let me remove this extra line. And sometimes you want to feel the rain like this on your palms. So I'm going to show him with his hands stretched out, and this time he's wearing shorter sleeves. Just see, half sleeves. Okay, and thumb, and 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. So children, these are 2 ways of drawing the fingers. Whichever you find easy, you draw like that. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, and 4 fingers. Done. Now let's make shots for him. 2 standing lines, 2 sleeping lines, and an A shape in the center. Legs. You can make pants also, children. Then you don't have to make this. You just have to make 2 lines. But you don't go out in the rain wearing pants. Let's give him also boots. Now coming to the umbrella. How to make the umbrella? Children, look carefully. First, 2 lines. 1, and the second line will come over here from in between the fingers. It will move between the fingers like it's going. So second line we will make from here like this. I hope you are understanding and finding it easy. We can have a U shape at the bottom or just a round. Now what do we do about the top of the umbrella, children? Just let's make it very simple. 1 sleeping line which is equal on both the sides, so that this rod of the umbrella, the stick of the umbrella, is right in the center, equal, and a semicircle on top to complete our umbrella. Now if you want to make the design of the umbrella just the way it is, then you have to make these small semicircular shapes, and after that you can join all of them to the top like this, or make any other design that. Now children, our scene of a rainy day is done, but where is the rain? So for the rain to come, the clouds have to form. Now here are the big grey clouds. Clouds are grey, right? On a rainy day. And where is the rain? I will teach you how to draw the rain later. Because if we are going to draw right now, then it's going to become difficult for us to color the background. What about some muddy puddles or some puddles of water? See, just make irregular lines like this. So here are the muddy puddles, and if you want to add a paper boat, you can add a paper boat in them. Those of you who want to make a paper boat, I'm teaching you children to make the paper boat a boat shape and a triangle. Let's draw 1 line for the ground and the sky. They are standing on the ground, right? And we are done. I will teach you to color and draw the rain in my next video.